Thank you, viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is Tony Ajay here. Yes, viewers, Facebook, YouTube, yearbook, my life, all those cool social networks. Dig, all of you, respect, and everybody at IM Radio, YouTube radio stations. Respect to everybody. Now we're gonna praise God together. Yes, we gotta do that every time. When I first got on Facebook, I like chatting with my friends. When I first got on Facebook, I like chatting with my friends. Facebookers, they write a lot of LOL. Facebookers, they write a lot of LOL. Wait a minute. What the hell is LOL? I ask. Wait a minute. What the hell is LOL? Then I freak out and ask my friend Cody of Kansas. He said, Tony Ajayi, don't freak out. Tony Ajayi, don't freak out. LOL is laughing out loud. Oh well, that is all I know how to do from Africa. Ha 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 ha, laughing out loud. Ha 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 ha, laughing out loud. Facebooker, let us laugh loud, loud, louder, louder. We laughing out loud. Let's laugh out loud, loud. Facebooker, laugh. Let us laugh out loud. Thank you, thank you.